Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about some exciting news from NVIDIA. They just announced new chips and tools for on-device AI, which is a big deal for data privacy. Instead of sending data to cloud servers, these new tools allow data to stay on the device, which is great for privacy concerns. NVIDIA has introduced a range of new GPUs, graphics cards, and developer tools aimed at building and running AI models and applications on local devices. This includes the launch of GeForce RTX Super Desktop GPUs to power a range of new laptops and the new GeForce RTX 40 Super Series graphics cards for desktop PC users. In addition to the hardware, NVIDIA also unveiled AI developer tools, such as the AI Workbench, to simplify the development of AI projects on local machines. The company's CEO, Jensen Huang, highlighted the significance of generative AI and its potential to transform various industries, including gaming. Overall, this announcement reflects NVIDIA's focus on enabling AI capabilities on a wide range of devices, from data centers to PCs and workstations, and its commitment to advancing AI technology for diverse applications and industries. So, if you're interested in AI and its potential impact on various industries, this is definitely something to keep an eye on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.